It is very important that the leaders in Buganda, especially the elected leaders, appreciate the vision that we have in the kingdom. The vision we have is to place the kingdom at the helm of social and economic development, with the people enjoying their freedoms. And for us to achieve that, everyone must appreciate our aspirations. So the aspirational pillars we have are 5. The first is culture and heritage. The second is federalism. The third is the protection of land and the kingdom borders. The fourth is hard work. And the fifth is unity of the people of Buganda. The first is heritage and culture because the kingdom is about that. The second is about federalism because we think we should share power so that we internally can handle our issues, much as other parts of the country should be able to do the same. The third is about land, because for us, land is not only about the land on which people build their houses, but also it is the fountain, it is the foundation of our heritage, because the clan system is premised on land. Hard work is about, social and economic well-being. And finally, unity is about the different colors that constitute the people of Buganda. It is important that the leaders appreciate the aspirational pillars of the kingdom. And I'm very glad that they are here, and given what they've just stated, they clearly understand where we stand and where we want to go. Then finally, I talked about HIV/AIDS. It has pleased the Kabaka to use some of the proceeds from the Kabaka's birthday run to buy motorcycles for the Gombolola chiefs throughout the kingdom. They are going to use the motorcycles to convey the Kabaka's messages about fighting HIV/AIDS, with men in the lead to save the girl child throughout the villages that constitute their sub-counties. So I appreciate all those who participated in the Kabaka's birthday run, because the proceeds we got, some of them are being used to enable the Kabaka's chiefs to carry out their work in their areas of jurisdiction.
Bena tulowoozezaako nnyo, tumwebaza ddala nga bw'atukubiriza ku bikwatagana n'essiriimu gwe tuyita mukenenya. Kituyambye nnyo okulaba nti tufuna entambula. Tugenda gikozesa, tugenda kuteekamu amaanyi, tusingewo ne we tubadde.
Ettaka ly'Obwakabaka lingi nnyo, bagenze balibuzaabuuza, naye nja kuba nti nfunye amaanyi okuba nti buli kanyomero konna nja katambula, kuba ntwala Gombolola 3 za administration, ntwala ya Namaliiri, ne ntwala ne ya Kasawo Meeya ne ya Namanoga.